Matt and Liz, the empty nesters, had a clear vision for their new chapter. Their kids were grown, and the sprawling family home felt too big. They wanted a home closer to the city, a space that was just for them, yet still welcomed their children and their friends. They envisioned a home for entertaining, playing Mahjong, and simply enjoying each other's company, a place filled with light and natural materials that reflected their passions. Most of all, they wanted a home that told their family's story, a living scrapbook of their lives together. The property they found was a Victorian Terrace house built in 1884, but this wasn't your typical charming city home. On an unusually long block with front and rear access, it was wedged between two light industrial warehouses, one of which was a sound studio. There was little to no external view, making the property feel closed in. Matt and Liz turned to CplusC Architectural Workshop, drawn to their unique and innovative approach. Their initial plan was to keep the 3 upstairs bedrooms and bathroom as is, leaving them untouched for when their children came home to visit. However, as the project took shape, they decided to completely overhaul the entire space, top to bottom. CplusC principal architect Clinton Cole and project architect Carmen Chan understood the challenge. The site was deep and inward-looking. Their solution was inspired by 2 seemingly unrelated concepts, the zigzag and the geode. We wanted to create a sense of compression and a connection between all the living spaces without them feeling too vast and drawn out, Clinton explained. The zigzag, expressed as an accordion concept, became the visual thread that pulled the entire design together. It appeared in the angled louvers, the intricate brickwork, the brass floor detail, and even the custom kitchen bench. It was a playful, surprising motif that kept the eye moving and the space dynamic. The geode concept was just as clever. A geode is a plain old rock that, when you crack it open, contains an extravagant inside world of light, shape, and color, Clinton said. This idea perfectly addressed the lack of external views. Instead of looking out, the house would be a spectacle within. The combination of the zigzag motif, the strategic placement of windows and skylights, and the interplay of light and shade created a constantly changing, dynamic interior. When Matt and Liz saw the design, they were completely on board. They gave us something we could never have dreamt up ourselves, Liz said. With the design approved, the CplusC construction team got to work. The location was a logistical nightmare. Parking was impossible, and the narrow 900mm wide pathway meant all materials had to be painstakingly trolleyed in. A 6.8-meter structural steel beam for the kitchen had to be cut into pieces and carried in one at a time. The team even stockpiled building supplies against the wall of the neighboring sound studio to create a sound buffer. Despite the challenges, the project moved ahead of schedule. We'd restrain ourselves from visiting too often so the next visit would be equally revelatory, Matt recalled. The finished home was a breathtaking reveal. One of the most transformative ideas was moving the main entrance from the front of the house to the side. This simple change completely shifted the experience of the space. Instead of a long, narrow corridor, the house unfolded around you the moment you entered, creating a sense of immediate wonder. There's no trekking down a corridor past bedrooms to get to the living spaces, Clinton explained. The design intentionally blurred the lines between indoors and outdoors, using external materials like the original brick walls and the rear terrace balcony inside, and making liberal use of glass to bring the outside in. The home's interior was a masterclass in detail. The kitchen, dining, and living areas flowed into one another, reflecting the couple's gregarious nature. Matt and Liz, both avid scuba divers, now had a dedicated area to clean and store their gear. Liz, a geologist, saw her love of natural materials come to life in the raw concrete and exposed timber. Custom joinery beautifully displayed family memorabilia, from old oars to degrees and relics from World War II. The house was also designed for the future, with features like discrete grab rails and higher toilet seats to accommodate them as they got older. The homeowners were in awe. The first time I walked into our finished home, I couldn't wipe the smile off my face, Liz said. Matt enjoyed watching the reactions of their friends and family. Their eyes widen, their mouths open, and they gaze up, trying to figure out if they're inside or outside. They're inside, of course. The house was fun and irreverent, a little bit rock and roll, just like its name, ZZ Top House, a tribute to the quirky zigzag motif that gave the home its rock star attitude. ZZ Top House was more than just a renovation, it was a total transformation. It was a space that not only met Matt and Liz's needs but surpassed their wildest dreams. It was a home that was beautiful, functional, and deeply personal. The results are beyond anything we expected. It's a really easy place to live in, Matt concluded. For a couple that loved the great outdoors, CplusC had managed to create an internal world that was just as captivating. A place where the light and shadows danced and the boundaries between inside and out were wonderfully blurred.